In this tutorial, I will show you how to compare two dates. This is very helpful in situation when you need to know if date 1 is before date 2, and vice versa. All you need to do is to get the dates. Convert the dates to total of seconds and save them in a number custom field. Use a condition to check the highest number. The highest number represents the highest date. To convert date to seconds, please follow this format. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.